Now, as we earlier defined the limit of the several variable functions, now we have defined the continuity of the functions of several variable functions, right? This is the function of several variable. Several variable is said to be continuous in a domain D if it is continuous at every point of the domain D, right? If it is continuous at every point, then it is called continuous in the domain D. Okay, at every point of the domain D. What is the continuity? That the function of the continuity function is described at x square plus 2y when x comma y is not equals to 1 comma 2, then it is x square plus 2y the function's value, and when it is equals to 1 comma 2, then it gives the value 0. What is the continuity of the function at 1 comma 2? We have to find out this 2 point. As we know that at x comma y the function's value is equals to 0 when 1 comma 2 is the point. Now if we have function x square plus 2y, then we have to find out at what this function has, what is the limit of this at 1 comma 2. If we take x square plus 2y, x square is, what is x? X is 1 and y is 2, then it is 1 square plus 2 to the 4, then the limit is 5. If x comma y is equals, but it given is that when x comma y is equals to 1 comma 2, then it is 0. So the limit of this function is not equals to the function's value at the point. So this implies that function is discontinuous at 1 comma 2. How do we know that the function has what type of discontinuity? This is the discontinuity of removable discontinuity, because we have removed it this point. As we take that defining property, other type of defining property, then it will remove the discontinuity. That means that it has removed because discontinuity by redefining the function f. We have redefined the function f is such that fx comma y takes value x square plus 2y when x comma y is not equals to 1 comma 2, and when x comma y is equals to 1 comma 2, then the function's value is 5. And so this is redefining, and it has removable discontinuity, because when we take a limit of x tending to 1 and y tending to 2, then it becomes 5. So the function is continuous. That's why it is removable discontinuity. In this function it has removable discontinuity.